Hello everyone. We at TranZact are continuously trying to improve upon the features and the capabilities we deliver on TranZact so that you can use it continuously, which will eventually help you grow. So, in these series of efforts, we have come up with analytical reports which will allow you, especially if you belong to the top management, to analyze your business, how it is going, and then take decision based on the data you have, and to make it a data-driven process. For this, we have the reports module. Let's go to the reports module. In this short video, I will show you the order confirmation sales order register item-wise report, wherein I'm trying to show you how you can use this powerful feature, the most dynamic reporting feature, to get the data which you would want to analyze. Click on Generate Report. I'm selecting the data of this financial year. Invoicing status all. Click on Generate Report. Here you can see that we have added a few features wherein you can select your own set of columns. Here, you can select the options to group by. One added feature that we have developed on TranZact, which is very unique, is that once you have selected columns in the report, saved it in your browser, the next time whenever you open the same report, it automatically picks up the settings which you had saved the last time. So, you need not to do the same efforts again and again. Over here, you can choose the columns you want. You can select the choice of your columns by clicking on the respective checkboxes. Based on how you select the columns, eventually decides the order of the column. Now, after you select the columns, if you would want to download this report, you click on download. It will download these columns only. Now, this is the raw data which you have. This is the data which is based on your sales order or order confirmation which you have made on TranZact. Now, if you want to analyze it, there are several ways you can do the same. One way could be wherein you just want to see how your trade is going customer-wise, right? So, you'll switch ungroup data to group data. Select groupable column as customer name. Now it will show you the result of your sale or revenue generated from these customers in the period that you had selected while generating the report. This is calculated in just a few microseconds based on the data you have. Over here, you can see the number of trades you have done with which particular party. You can also download this, and the report will be generated in this particular order only. Now, it's not just the customer name you can generate report here. Like if you want to see trade month-wise, you can just choose OC date monthly. And here you can see how is your company performing on monthly basis. This is your month-on-month trade for this particular financial year, wherein you can see all the trades booked into your system. Now, apart from this, let's say you want to see how your different salespersons are performing. You can select sender name and view the result. Click on sender name. And here is the result. These are your salespersons or the persons who had made the sales orders. So this is actually a dummy data profile, which I am trying to show you here. But once you have your own actual data in your profile, you'll get more relevant and organized data. But once you have your own actual data in your profile, you'll get more relevant and organized data. Now here, if you would want to see how your salespeople are performing on monthly basis, then you just need to select both sender name and OC original creation date monthly. Here, you will be able to see how your salespeople are doing on monthly basis. This is how you can choose multiple filters for your own analysis. As you can see, you have the maximum flexibility and the most dynamic form of reporting at your fingertips. You just need to log into TranZact and start using right away. With this reporting system, you can visualize your data, say on 15 days basis, or on monthly basis, or yearly basis. Like sales report, you can also generate purchase report, inventory report, resource planning report, etc. This will eventually help you to assess your business growth and to take decisions based on the actual data and transactions. If you have any queries around this, please click on Get Help and raise a chat to us. Thank you. Have a good day.